Well, hi everybody, it's Diana from Youth Services at Mesa County Libraries. Today we're going to be making slime, and I'm going to tell you the science behind slime. And so let's get started. So let's talk about the supplies that we need to make slime. The slime recipe that I'm using today is going to require some warm water, so that's what I have in my mug here. It's going to require some glue, so I've got that here in this cup, and then it's also going to require some borax, which is like a sort of like detergent. You can find it in the laundry aisle at the grocery store. So the main three ingredients are there. Now, if you do not have borax, you can also use contact solution, saline solution, or even liquid starch, okay? So we have those three main ingredients for our slime. Now, if you want to make your slime colored, the option for you would be to get some food coloring, okay? So you might want that. And then I also recommend having a Ziploc bag so that you can keep your slime for a couple of weeks so that you can play with it, all right? So you can put it inside there, zip it up, and it's good to go for a couple of weeks. You also need 2 bowls to mix with. You'll need a spoon, and just since we're gonna be using water and it can get just a little messy, I recommend a rag. All right, so that's all you need. All right, so we're gonna start with our first bowl, and we're gonna start with 4 ounces of glue. So if you think about your school glue, that's just like 1 bottle of glue, okay? So you're gonna pour that into your first bowl, like so. And then, after you get all the glue out, you're gonna do 4 ounces of water. So I'm gonna just use this container again because it's 4 ounces. And I'm just gonna pour warm water into my 4-ounce cup here. All right, and then we're just gonna mix this in with the glue. And you wanna mix it really well, okay? You wanna make sure that it kinda gets like sort of a soupy consistency that glue does, okay? And then while you're doing this, this is a great time to add your food coloring. So let's see, I think I'm gonna go with orange slime today. So I'm gonna get my orange out. And I think I'll do maybe 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right, that's a good orange. Make some orange slime today. So like I said, you really want to make sure that this is mixed well together. And the warm water helps the mixing process. So you definitely want to have warm water, but if you don't have warm water at hand for some reason, cold water will work. It's just better with warm. Okay, so that's good. So I'm going to set this aside now. And so now we're going to do the borax and the water mixture. So you want 1 teaspoon of the borax, which is just like I said, this white powder stuff. And you can find it at your local grocery store in the laundry aisle. So 1 teaspoon. Okay, so we'll put that in there. And then you're going to want a 1/2 cup water, warm water. So we'll pour that in our measuring cup here. There we go. And then we just plop that in. And again, you're going to want to stir this really well so that you can dissolve all that borax solution, or all that borax powder to make the solution, okay? So. Make sure all those little crystals get dissolved here. And then comes slime. Okay, that looks really good. I don't see many crystals anymore here. Okay, so now all we're going to do is take our glue, water, food coloring, and we're gonna pour in this borax solution. And then we're gonna do it just in little spurts. So that means I'm not gonna pour all of it in at once. I'm gonna pour in just a little bit, and then I'm gonna start stirring. And I can already feel that it's getting lumpier and it's starting to get slimy, but it's not completely all slime, so I'm gonna pour in some more. So just pour in a little bit more, and then mix again and see how your slime is developing. And it's getting pretty good already. It's getting pretty slimy. I think I'll do just a little bit more because I've got kind of a little bit of a liquidy glue situation still. So let's pour just a little bit more in. Okay. And then again, we're gonna mix more. Oops. Just splashed a little. That's why I have my rag. Okay, so. All right, so now the fun part, right? Now that we have our slime, now you get to knead it and play with it, and just like that, we have slime. Okay, so after I play with it, I'm gonna put it in my Ziploc bag, and then I could have this slime last for probably 2 weeks or so. All right, so that's all there is to it. Enjoy your slime. All right, so here is the science behind slime. According to Science Mom on YouTube, slime is a polymer, which means it has long chains of connected molecules, or tiny particles that make it up. Glue is made up of water and a substance called polyvinyl acetate, or PVA, and the molecule chains flow past each other loosely, making it a liquid. When we mix the borax solution, which contains a substance called borate, combines or bonds with the glue molecules and attaches the polymer chains, which will create that stretchier, stiffer slime that we all love. All right, well, I hope you have so much fun making your slime. If you want to use that borax recipe that I showed you, that's fantastic. There are all kinds of different recipes out there. Of course, you can check out the Mesa County Libraries. We do have books on slime. But if you're interested in books that are not the physical book, if you like ebooks, for example, we do have a free app through our library. It's called Libby by Overdrive. You can download that to your phone or an iPad or whatever device you want to read it on, and it will, you can just type in the word slime and you can pull up different books that show you how to make slime, or even read those stories about slime as well, okay? So have fun with that if you're interested, and have fun making slime. So stay tuned for more activities and more videos that are coming your way. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.